Shandong Joysource Wood Company Limited was established in 2017 and is a professional supplier of project furniture solutions including kitchen cabinets, bathroom vanities, wardrobes and built-in furniture for residential and commercial spaces. Joysource works closely with its partners to deliver complete solutions from design planning and material selection to color matching and functional configuration, helping clients achieve the ideal look and layout for each project. Our team also provides guidance and support during project planning, ensuring the design matches the client's needs and space. We ensure each order is delivered on time with consistent quality and monitor the process to make sure every project meets agreed specifications. All products are managed under ISO 9001 standards, and project categories are supported by BSCI FSC and CE certificates to meet quality requirements. Quality inspections are performed throughout production to guarantee consistency and reliability. We provide OEM and ODM services including technical drawing review, design solution optimization, material confirmation, and project execution coordination, ensuring each project runs smoothly from planning to installation. Through overseas warehouses and reliable logistics,